Hello my wonderful people, welcome back again. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can make your best Nigerian puff puff snacks. Please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. In a clean bowl I will add 2 cups of warm liquid milk. You can as well use warm water, 2 tablespoons of active yeast, 3 tablespoons of sugar. This recipe requires a lot of sugar for a better taste, a pinch of salt. Then I will mix and make sure everything is well mixed. Next I will add 500 grams of all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to be mixing the liquid mixture and my all-purpose flour together. I will keep mixing till I get the right texture batter for my puff puff. Make sure the batter is not too runny and it shouldn't be too thick as well. Find a balance in between the two. After mixing, cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel or a foil paper. Keep in a warm place and allow it to proof for like 1 hour or 2. This is what my batter looks like after 1 hour. In a clean frying pan, add some vegetable oil and place over medium to high heat. When the oil is hot, scoop some batter using your hand to form sort of ball. Drop into the oil. You can as well use scoop if you prefer, and also make sure your oil is not overclouded with your batter. Fry the puff puff on the both sides until it turns golden brown. Repeat the same process with the remaining batter until everything is done. My puff puff is ready now. You can serve and enjoy warm with any soft drink of your choice.